Unlock your best self, a journey to vibrant health. Feeling sluggish, unmotivated, or just not quite yourself? It's time to take control and unlock your best self. This video is your guide to building a vibrant, healthy lifestyle that will transform your energy, sharpen your mind, and bring you lasting happiness. What you put into your body directly impacts how you feel. Think of food as fuel. The better the fuel, the better the performance. Choose fresh, whole ingredients whenever possible. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your daily meals. These foods provide essential nutrients that support optimal health and well-being. Hydration is also crucial. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. Water helps regulate body temperature, transports nutrients, and keeps your organs functioning properly. Physical activity is not just about weight loss, it's about overall health and vitality. Find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Whether it's a brisk morning walk, a calming yoga session, or an invigorating workout at the gym, staying active boosts energy levels, reduces stress, and strengthens your heart. Even small amounts of movement can make a big difference. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Remember, consistency is key. Sleep is essential for physical and mental restoration. A good night's sleep allows your body to repair itself and your mind to recharge. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you wind down and prepare for sleep. Don't underestimate the power of rest. It's just as important as diet and exercise for achieving optimal health. Mental well-being is just as important as physical health. Take time each day to nurture your mind and cultivate positive emotions. Practices like meditation, journaling, and gratitude can significantly boost mental clarity and happiness. Even a few minutes of mindfulness each day can make a difference. Find activities that bring you joy and relaxation. This could be anything from reading a book to spending time in nature. You don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. Start with small, manageable changes and gradually build from there. Focus on making 1 or 2 healthy choices each day. Over time, these small changes will add up to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with your healthy habits even when you don't feel like it. Building a healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, but don't get discouraged. Celebrate your successes and learn from your setbacks. The most important thing is to keep moving forward and stay committed to your goals. Believe in yourself and your ability to create a healthier, happier life. You are capable of amazing things. Ready to unlock your best self and embark on a journey to vibrant health? Start today by making one small change. Drink an extra glass of water, go for a short walk, or try a 5-minute meditation. Then, download our free guide to healthy eating and exercise for more tips and inspiration. Share this video with your friends and family to inspire them to join you on this journey. Together, we can create a world where everyone thrives. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.